Okay, this is the roof of the subject property, and I'm going to make a short video to hit the highlights. There'll also be pictures and a written report. So let's hit the highlights. This is a torch down roof, and I don't know how many roofs are under here, but this does not appear to be like a total tear off to me. And this is kind of old technology. Torch down, hot tar, gravel, or old technology. The new roofs are much lighter and better. They're called EPDM. You can Google that. EPDM roof, or rubber roof is what they kind of generically call it. So this is old technology. I think he told me this roof's about 10, 15 years old, and these roofs are good for about 15 years. So I'm going to call this roof poor in my report because of the following things. Over here around the edge, you know, something happened here, and this is a piece of 2x10. It looks like it's wood, and it's exposed to the weather, and it's starting to rot in some places. You know, so this is not good. This is the old clay capping material that goes on. This is called the parapet wall. So this is open here, so water could get in there. The chimney looks like it's in pretty good shape, but I don't think it's being used right now. It could be. It looks like they got individual heating systems in here now, because you got AC units on the roof. We'll talk about those in a minute. But yeah, my report's going to say this roof is in poor condition because of that over there. There's a lot of wrinkles in this roof. Most of them are at this end, puckering some of the roofing material. Hope you can hear me okay because they're working over there. So some of the roofing material is pulling away from the parapet wall. So what happens is this was a lot tighter in this corner before, and as the roofing material gets old, it shrinks. And as it shrinks, it pulls out of that corner, okay? So there's a lot of wrinkles right here. A little bit more than I'm used to seeing. See that? That's sticking up about, I don't know, 1.5 inches, 2 inches. And there's some more over there. There's a big one here, and it's actually holding water. It's such a big wrinkle, it's holding water there. Big wrinkle here, holding water. Huge wrinkle over here. This one's up 2 or 2.5 inches. Holding a lot of water here. Big wrinkle in this corner. Some tearing in this corner, some holes. I didn't see that before. I need to take a picture of that. But there's similar areas over here. So tearing. So if you get a roofer over here, they're going to tell you need a roof. And they're probably going to want $5 to $10 a square foot. I base it on, I always talk to people about these issues, and I base it on what I hear from contractors and building owners. They tell me that's what they're paying, depending on what they do and the quality and all that. There's some more tearing over here. This aluminum material is to hold it at the top where the flexible roofing material attaches to the wall. So that's torn away, and there's a big hole in here so water can get in there. So electrical box here with tape on it. You're supposed to have an outdoor box, you know, a weatherproof box. This electrical connection has come loose. You got 3 skylights, except for the you know, for being original to the building, they're not in too bad a shape, but they are original to the building, so they've got some issues. You know, they've put tar on here where they were leaking. They've kind of doctored them up over the years. There's some trim missing over here, some aluminum. So these aren't in great shape either. That's pretty typical. I'll just show you the one, but they're all pretty much in the same condition. You got 3 AC units up here. This one's new. That's a 2017. The other 2 are 1999. So they're, is that 20 years? No, that's 18 years. I mean 19 years. So based on their age, I'm going to call those marginal, that one and that one, because of their age, because that's about how long they last. They may work. We can't test them today because it's too cold. It's supposed to be 65 degrees outside to run one. But all the parts are there. This one, I think this one's not in use. Someone came up here and stole the copper out of it. The copper coils. Or maybe the owner did that. I don't know, but the copper's gone. Okay. This is the shaft for the elevator, and it's access to the roof. You got some missing shingles up there, so when you get the roof done, you need to do that too, I think. The roof's been patched. You know, that's what they usually do. They don't usually replace them because it's so expensive. They typically patch them as much as they can. Missing the scupper, it's cracked. That's not a big deal, but debris will get down there and plug up your drains. Oh, the chimney stacks. You got some chimney stacks. These are for your furnaces, metal chimneys. You must have wall furnaces or something down there in the units. I have not been in there yet, so I don't know. But these two over here are missing the caps. So this one's missing and that one over there is missing. There's supposed to be a cap on here, so right now the water can run down in there. And that one's in use because I can feel the hot fumes coming out, so I know the furnace is running. Or maybe it's for hot water heater, you know, either one. A little puddle of water here, not too bad, not too big. So that's about it. That's the highlights. So my report's going to say the roof's generally in poor condition. I'm sure if you get a roofer over here, they're going to tell you you need a new roof. Almost sure. Because, you know, they want to sell you a roof. You could probably doctor this one up and make it last a few more years, but I mean, it's not in good shape. So they'll want to put a new roof on for you, and I don't blame them. There's more of that loose trim on that skylight. So that's about it.